I think all of you are fine. Myself, Dr. Manju Rani, and today we are going to discuss a topic related to the bioinformatics. So, basically, about the bioinformatics, we have already discussed in theory part of also, but here we are going to discuss about the practical approach of bioinformatics, है ना? So, what is the use of bioinformatics? Clear? So, first we know what is the bioinformatics. So, bioinformatics is a collection, classification, storage and analysis of biological information by using the computer. So, bioinformatics is used for the analysis of molecular genetics, genomic, and it also used in different fields such as the drug designing. Clear? So, next is the microbial genomic application. If you want to study the genome of microbes such as bacteria, yeast, or other microbes also, and it's also used in the agriculture, and it also used in the animals for the the genetic modification. Clear? So how to perform the genetic modification, how to retrieve the primers, how to retrieve the sequences of probe. Clear? So for all these things we need the bioinformatics. So we are also perform the comparative study of genome of one animals and to the other animals. And for example, you can take the two genes, you can take a similar gene in two animal. What is the similarity of one gene in two animals? We can perform through the bioinformatics. So bioinformatics is basically is much more important for the genetic modification also. So here we are performing a practical, that is a data retrieval and database search using internet site NCBI. So what is the steps used in this practical we are going to study here, and actually I don't have the much more speed of net, that's why I'm summarizing the steps that involve through the presentation. So please be attention. So here I have mentioned some important steps or major steps that is comes under the practical, such as the first step is a search NCBI in Google, then you gotta open a NCBI home, then search database for the rice, you can search database of other species also, it's depend on your interest, and if you in which species you want to research. Clear? So step 4, you can retrieve the nucleotide sequence in always FASTA format. You retrieve the nucleotide sequence in FASTA format. Why we taking the FASTA format? Because software is taking sequence only in FASTA format. That's why I'm saying we retrieve the nucleotide sequence or DNA sequence of a particular gene in FASTA format. So now we run the BLAST. What is BLAST? BLAST is a basal local alignment. Clear? So BLAST is a basal local alignment. First you perform the basal local alignment of your gene with the other gene. After that you construct phylogenetic tree. So phylogenetic tree is construct because we find out my gene is showing the similarity to which gene more. Clear? So we are discussing all these steps in detail in the step 1, step 2, step 3 likewise. So first we are coming on a step first we do the Google and type NCBI, so you can see like that. After that, in the next step you open the National Center for Biotechnology Information. So click on a National Center for Biotechnology Information and you see the window like this. In the next steps you see the window like this, and in the left corner you can see the all databases. So here the list of databases is coming, but among them you can select the nucleotide sequences. Clear? So for which nucleotide sequences? For that gene you want to search, or that species, bacteria, animal, plant, anything you want to search. So type here the sequences, but here I am taking the rice sequence. So In the next slide you can see I select here the nucleotide sequence, and in the right side I have select the rice, clear, or type rice. So after that I want to search some gene in the rice. So now I'm go to the search option. In the next step you can got so many genes related to the rice, but here I want to take select a one gene, and I have taken first gene, and then this gene is a rice flour gene or resistance starch gene, means this gene is related to the starch in the rice, clear. So and now we want to take the FASTA sequence of nucleotide of that gene. So I hit on the FASTA, and then you got some sequences here like this, clear. So these are the sequences, you can see these are nucleotide sequences CT, GT, clear. So but you have take the sequences only in FASTA format. So how you can select this symbol, clear, this greater than symbol. So before the sequences, now the sequence is converted into the FASTA format. So save this sequence in a notepad, clear, or Microsoft Office. Now I have saved these sequences, you can see here, clear. So now these sequences are pasted in the another tab, that is a BLAST, clear. So you run BLAST for that sequences, you run BLAST here, and after that you got an after the running BLAST you got window like this, and then you got so many gene here. So but here I have selected the few genes because I didn't have so much speed of net, and it's take the more time in analysis. So that's why I'm taking some genes. So I have selected some genes and go through the distance tree, clear. So click here and you got a distance tree like that, clear. So in these sequences, as I selected, I find that my sequence is showing the similarity of these gene. So the phylogenetic tree is constructed for finding the similarity between the gene. So it's your practical. I think it's clear to all of you. If you have any doubt, then tell me. Thank you so much.